everyone, it's Sarah from Nova Scotia. I'm going to do a Dutch pour today on a split base, I think. And I'm going to use all like fire colors. So I have red, orange, and yellow. I'm working on a 12 by 16 art panel and I have it primed with black gesso. It's actually just all I had, so, but it works because I'm doing half of black anyway. So I'm going to do half black, half white, and then these colors and blow it out and we'll see what happens. I got this attachment from Amazon. I just got it today, so it's my first time trying it. See if it gives me a little more control. All right, and here it is dry. It turned out really good.